Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn one more numerical on determining the centroid for a given plane area. The statement goes like this: so determine the centroid for a shaded area with respect to O. So I'll mark the shaded area first. This is the shaded area given for which we have to find out the centroid. We have to locate the centroid with respect to this origin. Now to get this shaded area, we can go with many ways. Now one of the ways is you can first of all calculate this area of a rectangle, then you can add this area of quarter circle, then further you can add this area of small rectangle, and then by adding all this you'll be getting the total area, and from that if you subtract this area of triangle you'll be getting the remaining shaded area of what we require. If not, you can directly go with the area of this triangle, then area of this quarter circle, and then area of this rectangle, and adding this three you'll be getting your required shaded area. Now for this required shaded area we have to find out, or we have to locate the centroid, that is you have to find out x bar and y bar. So x bar formula is summation of ax by summation of a, y bar formula is summation of ay by summation of a. So we have to find out summation of ax, summation of a, and summation of ay. This three things we have to determine to locate the centroid in terms of x bar and y bar. So now we'll divide this into certain mathematical areas, known areas. We'll go with this first. We'll call this as our first area. So this is nothing but forming a rectangle. This will be our first area of consideration. Second area of consideration will be this quarter circle, and this will be our third area of consideration. So we are going by the second way. We'll be adding this three and we'll be getting our required shaded area. So we'll go with the first. So first that we are considered is a rectangle. So for rectangle, now we all know what is the formula to find out area: b into h. So here b is 50 and h is 40. So 50 into 40 will give you the area of rectangle. Second area that we have considered is a quarter circle. So for quarter circle, the formula for finding out the area of quarter circle is pi by 4 into r square. So here r is equal to 50, it is given. So pi by 4 into 50 square, the area that you should be getting is equal to, for quarter circle it is 1962.50 mm square, while this will be 2000 mm square. Now we'll consider the third area. The third area is a right angle triangle. So third area that we have considered was triangles. So formula for triangle is 1/2 b into h. So here 1/2 b is 60 and h is for this 90. So if you solve this, you should be getting the area of triangle as 2700 mm square. So this is how we have got our three required areas. Now if we'll add these three areas, then we'll be getting our required shaded area. So that is nothing but summation of a. So if we'll add these three areas, you'll be getting summation of a as 666,662.50 mm square. So this is how we have got summation of a. Now we'll find out x and y bar for this individual area. So the first area that we have considered was rectangle. So for this rectangle, we all know that the centroid lies somewhere here at a distance of, from here it will be b by 2 and this will be h by 2. So we have located the centroid, we have got the centroid, but we have to locate it with respect to origin. Now actually what you have to find out is its x bar and y bar with respect to origin. So To find out its x bar, that is the horizontal distance of this central point with respect to this y-axis. So we want this. This is your x bar. Now to find out this, from here to here, this distance is 60. 60 plus b by 2. Now b by 2 is nothing, b is nothing but 50. 50 by 2, 25. So 60 plus 25. So here it should be 60 plus b by 2. So 60 plus b is 50. 50 divided by 2. Then to find y bar for this, the distance of the vertical distance of the central point from x-axis, that is nothing but equal to h by 2. H is 40. So h by 2, where h is 40. So you'll be getting y bar as 20 mm. Now we'll find out the x bars and y bars for quarter circle. So for quarter circle, we all know that the centroid lies somewhere here at this point from the sides which are making 90 degrees, and this is 4r by thrice pi. Even this is 4r by thrice pi. Now to locate the x bar and y bar for this central point, x bar will be this much horizontal distance of the central point with respect to y-axis. So now this will be equal to 60 plus 4r by thrice pi. So 60 plus 4r by thrice pi. So here r is equal to 50. So if we calculate this for quarter circle, the x bar should be coming equal to 81.23. Now to find out y bar. Y bar is the vertical distance of the central point with respect to x-axis. So this is what we want from here to here. We know this much is 40. 40 plus 4r by thrice pi. So 40 plus 4r by thrice pi will give you the y bar. So y bar for quarter circle, it will come around 61.23. Now the last area that we have considered, area of right angle triangle. For this, now we know that for right angle triangle, from the sides which are making 90 degrees, the central point lies somewhere here, and this distance of that central point from the sides which are making 90 degrees is, this will be, if this is b, if we'll call this as b, this will be b by 3. If this is what we'll call h, this will be h by 3. We want to locate this with respect to origin. That is what to find out x bar and y bar for this. So the horizontal distance of the central point with respect to y-axis is your x bar. This is your x bar. So what will be x bar? Now to calculate this x bar, in this case, we know that total is 60. So 60 minus this. Now what is b? B is nothing but 60. So 60 minus 60 by 3, you will be getting this. So here I'll write down x bar will be 60 minus 60 divided by 3, 40. Now for finding out its y bar, vertical distance of this point with respect to x-axis, this is its y bar. So now to find out this, we know total is 90. 90 minus h by 3. Now what is h? H is nothing but 90. So 90 minus 3, you'll be getting it. So 90 minus 90 by 3. And now if we'll check out all our x bar, y bar, x bar, y bar, x bar, for all these three areas are positive. Why? Because our whole shaded area lies in first quadrant. That's why all our x and y bars are positive. Now to find out ax and ay. So just you have to multiply this a with x, you'll be getting this. Multiply this a with y, you'll be getting this. So 2000 into 85, you'll be getting ax, and ax you should be getting, now if you write down in terms of 10 raised to 3, this also in terms of 10 raised to 3, you should be getting it as 108, and y bar you should be getting it as, so it will be 2000 into 20, and you should be getting it equal to For rectangle 40, and here there's a correction, you should be getting 2000 into 85 as 170. Now for quarter circle, this is area 1962.50 into x is 81.23, whatever it is, write down here. Then same a into x, a into y now 1962.50 into y is 61.23. You'll be getting the ay. So you should be getting for quarter circle ax as 159.4 into 10 raised to 3, and you should be getting it as 120.6. Now we'll find out the ax and ay for triangle. So 2700 into 40, so it should be equal to 108 into 10 raised to 3, then 2700 into 60, and it should be equal to 162 into 10 raised to 3. So now we'll find out summation of x and summation of y. If we'll add this, we'll be getting summation of x. You should be getting summation of ax as 437.31. 437.31. This is your summation of ax, and summation of ay you should be getting equal to 322.17. So this is your summation of ay. So once you have got this summation of x and summation of ay, put down in this formulas. So x bar you should be getting equal to 65.65 mm, and y bar you should be getting equal to 48.36, again mm. So now after putting down all the values, you got x bar and y bar, capital X bar and capital Y bar. So this way, for this individual figures, we have got small x and small y bars. Now we have located the final centered for the whole figure, whole shaded area, that is coming around 65.65 and 48.36. So if we check out this figure, x bar and y bar both we are getting positive, means it lies in first quadrant. Obviously all our figure were lying in first quadrant, so it was obvious to get it in first quadrant. So now x we are getting 65 point something, so we know this much is 60, so it will obviously lie beyond this, and y bar is 48 point something, and this much you know it is 40, so your what you can say centered will lie somewhere here. So this will be your x bar 65, and this will be your y bar 48 point something. So I hope that you all have understood this particular numerical. Thanks for watching it.